In this video, I will show you how to create a Facebook page on mobile. First of all, open the Facebook application on your device and log into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the hamburger icon at top right corner. On the next screen, look for the pages option and tap on it. After that, tap on create option at the top. Page creation setup will begin. Tap on the get started option at the bottom. Now enter a suitable name for your page. It can be anything with which you want to represent your work. Once done, tap on the next option. Now choose a category that best defines you. You can also search for it if you want. After selecting it, tap on create option at the bottom. Next, tell your goal by selecting either of the available options and tap on continue. Then you will be prompted to customize your page by adding a profile picture and a background image. You can add them here if you want and tap on next. You can also invite friends if you want to do so and then tap on next again. After that, tap on done. Facebook will switch to your newly created page, and this is how you can create a Facebook page on mobile.